Welcome back to GSMC Tool. In today's video, we're going to explore the Samsung Galaxy A07 schematic diagram. This guide is specially designed for mobile technicians and beginners who want to understand phone circuits and repair devices more effectively. We'll walk through the board layout, key components, and important lines step by step, so you can easily diagnose and fix common issues. Make sure to watch till the end. This knowledge can seriously upgrade your repair skills. Let's get started.